got this crop duster flying over. He's about to come back. Here he comes again. Woo! That looks like a lot of fun. Alright, I'm gonna get him one more time. He's about to come back again. He's like a little bit higher than the tree line. Here he comes. Alright, he's about to get real close. Look how close this guy flies to the power lines. That's crazy. Alright, I think that was it. He landed on his little platform. I think I might be able to zoom in so you can see it. Or he might be refueling. That's how they refuel these. They just land on top of a truck that has a fuel thing on them. He might be doing a couple more flybys. Oh yeah, he's geared up to come back. This is gonna be awesome. I mean, it's gonna be so close this time. That's how far he is away now, but watch, he's gonna be coming back here in a brief second. Okay, here he comes. Look how low he is to the power lines. Woo! Not sure what kind of juice he sprayed, but I'm sure it's not good. Maybe I'll get one more from like closer to the road's perspective when he's flying up and over. Yeah, that's so crazy cool. I would love to fly a helicopter.